What if I told you that artificial intelligence is already controlling parts of outer space? From satellites to Mars rovers, AI is now the invisible pilot of space exploration. Every rocket launched today is guided by AI-powered algorithms calculating perfect timing. Astronaut suits now use AI to monitor oxygen, heart rate, and predict danger. Some satellites can now dodge space debris all on their own, no human control. Together, they form a massive AI brain orbiting around our planet. China's Tiangong station is already testing robotic AI repairs in real time. Meanwhile, NASA's AI system simulates thousands of missions before a single launch. AI rovers are exploring places where humans have never stepped. Space AI is learning faster than any human engineer ever could. AI on Mars can identify valuable minerals and even build 3D maps instantly. These systems map entire solar patterns to predict asteroid movement. The US and China are already in a silent AI war above our heads. Elon Musk's SpaceX even uses AI to land rockets with precision no pilot could match. AI telescopes now scan billions of galaxies in hours, something that once took decades. AI even studies black holes, revealing patterns humans couldn't imagine. Scientists are testing AI to simulate life itself in zero gravity. It's not science fiction anymore. It's reality unfolding in real time. Right now, AI controls communication between thousands of satellites. It can even predict meteor strikes days before impact. The moon's surface is now being digitally mapped in real time. AI is the silent architect of our connected world, even beyond Earth. Soon, AI will design entire cities on Mars before the first brick is laid. Machines building machines, that's the next phase of AI evolution. Orbiting labs now use AI to study how life forms adapt to space. AI helps identify trillion-dollar resources floating in space. 2 nations, 1 race. Who will master AI in space first? The truth is, AI doesn't know borders. It just grows smarter. And now, AI literally surrounds our planet, a digital brain watching over Earth. The AI space race isn't coming. It's already here. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to New Tech World, where the future becomes reality.